Hey there. So in this video, I will be talking about the recent ban on TikTok, um, by the Indian government, right? So TikTok is no longer available in India, right? And yeah, so it happened because of some political unrest between the two countries, India and China, right? And yeah, so let's see how it's gonna affect the online businesses on TikTok, right? Of course, if you are a TikToker in India, you can't access your TikTok account, and yeah, you can do nothing about that right now, right? But most of the TikTokers have planned to migrate to Instagram, which is a different platform, right? And yes, they can share their TikTok videos, right? TikTok videos are uh, something related to that, right? They can create some new type of content there. But anyways, that's a different story, right? So yeah, I mean, TikTok has been a very great platform for, especially for new influencers, right? Who recently, want to get started in their online business, because the organic reach on TikTok is so much better than Instagram, Facebook, and all the others, LinkedIn also, all the other social media platforms, right? And it has been really great for small entrepreneurs, right? And you get so many followers really, really fast, as compared to Instagram, because in Instagram it takes a long time to get 1,000 followers, but on TikTok you'll get 30,000, 100,000 in just a matter of weeks, or maybe months, a couple of months, right? So it really depends on the content. Anyways, so yeah, I mean, TikTok has been banned. So how it's gonna affect your business? I mean, even if you are on the in the US, you are going to lose a lot of viewers, because all right, so let's have a look at the monthly users on TikTok, right? So monthly users on TikTok, I have searched for it, and it's about 800 million active users. So it's round about between 600 to 800 million. I looked at other articles as well, so yeah, you can say that 600 to 800 million active users. And how many users have TikTok lost because of the ban on India? So let's have a look at that. uh, all right, so 120 million as of June 2019, okay, were on TikTok, right? And this one was for active users in 2020, right? So I mean, there are a lot of users oh, who have lost access to TikTok, and yeah, so this number is really small. I think it's around 200 million now. 200 million. Let's assume it's 200 million, right? And yeah, so you know, in I mean, TikTok lost 200 million users, active users, and that's going to decrease the or the audience on the platform. And yeah, so they will not be able to see your content, so you are going to expect less likes and less comments on your videos, okay? Now, okay, so um right, so yeah, I mean, social media platforms like TikTok, right? They come and go, okay? Social media platforms like TikTok, they come and go, all right? So TikTok started in around 2016, and it lasted till 2020 in India. It may get the ban may get lifted, but who knows? Because most of the um, TikTok content creators have already migrated to Instagram, and they plan to stick on it, right? So yeah, Instagram really is very different than TikTok, and I'll be explaining the algorithm behind it, so how they reach the audience, okay? Now TikTok's one is fairly very simple, but Instagram is it's more complicated, which I will explain in this video, okay? And yeah, so as I was saying, that TikTok, the social media platform, they come and go, right? So if you were born before 1980s or something, right? uh, you would have heard about Orkut, right? So Orkut was a social media platform back in the 2000s or something. Yeah, before Facebook, and it was popular. Okay, a lot of people had their accounts on Orkut, but it didn't run that successfully. Got taken over by Facebook, and yeah, so it's no longer there, right? So don't worry. I mean, social media platforms come and go, but you need to manage your customers, right? You need to have a list of them somewhere else off the social media platform, which is why email marketing is very popular nowadays, and is going to be popular for the rest of the time, the end of time, right? It's till the end of the age of internet, which is, I don't think it's gonna happen ever, right? So yeah, so email marketing is gonna be really really important for you guys, because you need to take those customers from these social media platforms and put them in the email list. Okay, so let's talk about the algorithm. So let me just write algorithm. Okay, how it's gonna affect, right? So some of the famous TikTokers mentioned that they will migrate to Instagram. So it might be a little bit, little bit of a shocker, right, for them, because it's not the same. All right. So what actually happens? Okay. So TikTok has a very simple algorithm. Okay. So you, this is a pool of audience. Okay. All right. Let's make it a smaller size because it's not that big. All right. So TikTok has these pool of audience, right? And now what happens is, whenever you upload a video on TikTok, right, your video v goes to these number of audience, right? Let's say you have 1,000 followers. Okay, let's say you have 1,000 followers on TikTok and you made a video, so it goes to about some percentage, like 50 to 100 people, right? 50 to 100 people, and they see, the TikTok algorithm sees, okay, so how many of these people have watched your video till the end? How many have left likes? How many have written down a comment, right? So comment is really very important. It's more than uh, twice the points of likes, right? If you consider it a point system, internally it is, right? So comments are much more valuable than a like, and view is way less valuable, but it's still valuable. Okay, because the user actually saw your video, right, for at least 5 seconds or more, 5 to 10 seconds or more. If your video is very short, then yeah, they already watched it all. But yeah, so if they see that, okay, these 50 to 100 people, liked your video and think that it's good, right, then it would go to a much bigger audience, like maybe it go to uh, next 500 people, right? So 500, and see how is the video performing over there, and then it will go to all of your followers, more than your followers, right? Right. So once it's received well over here as well, then it's going to reach all of your followers. Yeah, so it will reach all of your followers, and then it will hit the for you page, which is, and can potentially reach hundreds of thousands of followers. Okay, hundreds of thousands, right? Okay, 10,000 followers, like that. So it keeps on increasing step by step, right? So this is how TikTok algorithm works. It shows to these many people, then this many people, then 1,000, then 10,000, right? So likes and comments are really important in your video. If you're not getting too many likes, I mean, if just people are just watching your video, it's not going to go to the next phase, right? And yeah, so your video will stop reaching any other people. Occasionally they may promote to more 50 or 100 people, right? And sometimes TikTok promote your video to a next set of audience which are not your followers but watch similar content, right? And see if it's doing well over there as well. Okay, it does this after some time, but if it does well over there as well, then your video is gone, it's going to be flopped. But that's the way it is. Okay, don't worry about that being flopped, because honestly, you only need a video or two to run your business and get more clients for it, right? So yeah, so TikTok is very simple, and it's fairly easy to get the likes on TikTok, because people on TikTok mostly like funny videos. And you can build a video which is funny as well as educating, right? So I mean, I did have made some of those videos as well on TikTok, right? Sometimes it might not work. It's not because your content is bad, but yeah, sometimes it shows to those people who are not really very interested, or where, or are inactive followers. Inactive, oh my god, inactive followers. If you have inactive followers, it's going to ruin your engagement. It's going to ruin your engagement on TikTok as well as on Instagram. So yeah, that's the thing. So you don't want to attract you do follow for follow much, right? You can do it initially, but after that don't do it, because follow for follow, they follow you for only your follow, and they do nothing about it. Okay, right? So that's how the TikTok works, right? And that's how the transition happens. That's how your content reaches to your audience. All right. Okay. Hmm. What happens is, there is one other secret sauce behind TikTok. It is the thing that TikTok promotes your first 5 videos. What? First 5 videos the most. First 5 videos the most. Okay, it's gonna promote it very heavily, right? Like it's gonna show it to thousands of people firstly, and see how it works. So the first 5 videos will not go through this transition over here. It will just go and do work on the first 5, right? So those of you who are TikTokers and have lost their account, you should know this now. Now moving on to Instagram, you'll find that this is totally very, very different on Instagram, and you might not get as many organic likes as you think. Okay, so let's go to Instagram as well. Okay, this algorithm changes from time to time, so it's the algorithm of 2020, right? So let me write that down. Algorithm 2020. Okay, algorithm 2020, right? This changes from time to time. No one knows what changes when. They just there are some testers out there which test the algorithm. They check, they do the testing on the platform, and then they release the data. They do data mining. That's called data mining, and they figure out what's actually happening and what's the algorithm behind it. Okay, TikTok doesn't officially release all these stuff. All right, so remember that. Okay, now you had a look at TikTok. Let's have a look at Instagram. So let's delete this. Yeah, so that was all about TikTok's algorithm. The video was getting very long, so I decided to split into 2 parts. I'll talk about Instagram in the next video, right? It's already over 15 minutes, which is very, very long in my opinion. And yeah, so those TikTokers who really want to know more about how you can make it on Instagram, or what's the algorithm behind it, you should go check out the part 2, which will be uploaded soon enough, right? And yeah, also, if you want to know what is actually happening between, you know what political unrest is going on, you can just go out and check it on news. right? Because I mean, it's a serious thing, right? Not very good on any I mean, it's causing a lot of troubles for both the countries, and I personally think that it should stop, but it is what it is, right? And you can have a look at the news and see whether it's going to affect your country or not. Most likely it will not, but who knows what's going to happen in the future. So yeah, so take care. This video comes to an end. In the next video I will to be talking about the Instagram algorithm and how you can um, you know reach out to a lot of your followers. Until next time.